Hello, global education stewards or global citizens. How are you? This video is just to give you a wrap up of how you can create this last gift to us from you a video and also a little demo. Me creating a short video talking about one of my experiences at this Met so you can have it as a sample. So just wrapping up again, this is what I would like to have you gift to us. Um, Create a video message for the community, especially our DesMed community, even more our underclassmen. What goes on this video? Okay, how are you going to do this? By sharing a reflection message covering one, and describe your most significant favorite global education highlight lived at this Met based on a lens. I'm going to provide you with some general questions next, inviting others to follow that calling at the end. Also, you're going to just share a quick view, your perspective on how does your global education play into this pandemic? How are you seeing the world now? Mainly that question, how are you seeing the world now based on this real current challenge we as a world are having? So um, to get this video going, okay, and actually before you do, I am asking you to follow this trail of reflection. This is what I would like you guys to think about as your process, your ideas, or your script for this video. Okay, you're going to first, of course, pick a favorite, and I'm going to use this to give you my example too. Pick your favorite. You're going to pick, let's see, oops. We're going to pick the one experience, and it can be just a standalone experience that has given you joy and has made an impact in your life, right? Here at this Med. And then I know that you have provided some highlights, so I'm going to pick one of those highlights for myself. I'm going to use this as an example. So extracurricular ongoing contribution. I know for about 3 years I have been a helper and steward, a member, honorary member of a Spanish club. And I know one of the activities that we participated on that has marked my life at this Med and just my life in general has been World Food Day. Every year, Spanish club sets up get together around November to go out to this school in the city, and within the span of an evening, just go really into preparing little baggies, little food baggies for people in need throughout the world. Yeah, it is just one particular piece of whatever is to be part of a Spanish club. So I picked that as such. And then once I have picked my favorite, I go over to two. And then from two, I reflect on how do I connect, how do you connect that favorite experience to one of these. Okay, we have investigate and understand different worldviews, work and communicate respectfully with different people, develop strategies of global problems, identify and utilize resources, lifelong stewardship. There are so many points in which this particular experience, mine, my example, Awards Food Day, touches. I'm going to just say my biggest connection comes down to be here. How this has helped me work and communicate respectfully with other people. Okay, just hear me out, just hang with me. Good, so that is my connection. Just don't want to do any more reflecting there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer that reflecting into this third piece, which is making a video centering your experience in any of the following questions. Okay, I'm going to stop right here, and then I'm going to post one other link here that has my video, my quick video, sharing these two items.